Okay, this is for you JK18 that likes washer like these. So, I think I want to do a hot and cold and spin speed fast. There it is. First of all, I just put the detergent in. So, this is, hi, it's me, Zion, JK18. Look at my washer. I'm gonna be 15 on February 7th, 2001. So people that like washes like I do, comment about my video. And I'll comment back. I put the loads. I'm easier. So, thanks for watching. I'll give you the video when this thing agitates, JK18. Thanks for watching. Goodbye. This washer should agitate. So, okay, we'll get this video when it's agitating. This is a Kenmore 80 Serious. This is a Kenmore. This is what it was here when I first came here. This is my Kenmore dryer. It should agitate any second. This is for you, JK18. I'm washing my towels and some of my pajamas in here.